Okay, good afternoon. So today I've got one tip to help you increase your investment returns. And this is a very important tip. It is to stay the course with your investment plan. So if you have recently bought gold and silver, or gold mining stocks, or stocks in agriculture, energy, utilities, consumer staples, if you've bought a lot of the stuff that I've recommended and you've seen those prices decline, don't let it derail your plan. Continue doing what you're doing. The reason why is because you can't let, potholes in the road take you off course. You need to have your eyes on the horizon, right? You need to be looking at where your long-term goal is taking you. Recently, we've seen a lot of declines in major stock market indexes because the Federal Reserve and some of the other central banks have been talking about raising interest rates and what they call quantitative tightening. Okay, so they're trying to raise interest rates back to what they call a neutral level, which is somewhere between 2 and 3%. The truth is that they're not going to be able to do this. All they're doing is they're talking tough. But the reality is they're not going to be able to raise rates that high. Even if they did get rates up that high, if we have an inflation rate of 8.5%, that's not going to control inflation, right? An 8.5% inflation rate is not going to be controlled by a 3% interest rate. You have to get real interest rates positive in order to get that under control. So in reality, assuming the CPI numbers are accurate, which we know they're not really fully accurate, you would need to get the interest rates over 8.5% right now in order to entice people to save. Because why save money if I'm losing money every year to inflation? I'd much rather buy something now or invest now. That's the reason why the markets are coming down. They're talking tough. They're talking as if they're going to raise rates. They're not going to do it. I mean, they may raise them a little bit, but they're not going to be able to follow through on this. And that's why you want to keep investing according to the plan that you have in place. This is going to protect you long term. It's going to maximize your returns, and it's going to protect you from inflation. So please post a question or a comment. Send me a private message if you want to talk about it privately. I always enjoy reading your comments. And until next time, I wish you unlimited success.